friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, as you see from the title, is going to be an unboxing of my Walmart subscription box, beauty box. This is a seasonal box, so you do receive it 4 times a year. The cost of the box is only $5, which you pay for the shipping. And I have really enjoyed this subscription, guys. Number one, because it's inexpensive and it supplies me with a lot of my travel items, because you do get, I think, about 5 travel size products, and it allows you to try different products that are available to you at Walmart. And the last time that I got my subscription, I got a cute little, it was like a makeup bag, and it came in very handy because you can, you know, put it in your purse, or if you're traveling overnight, you can use it for a little makeup bag to carry your makeup in your weekend bag. So like I said, I've been with this subscription for a while, and I really do enjoy it, and I always share with you guys what I receive. This is the summer box. So without further ado, we're going to jump into the video. But before we do that, I would like you guys to hit that subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So I'm just going to open it up real quick for you. So guys, I'm just going to open up the box real quick so we can get started. And I'm going to be able to share with you the items that I received. So just like the last box, guys, I see a little surprise in here. So I'm just going to jump into the box, and I'm starting off with this Done-in-One Brow Pomade. It is in the shade Dark Brown from Salon Perfect, and here it goes right there. It is to shape and define your brows. And let me open it up and see what all comes inside. So you get the pomade, which is a dark brown, they say. So that's how it looks in the container. It do look a little dark. I'm not sure how it would look on me, but it is dark brown. And they also provide you with, if I can get it out, let me see if I can get it out. Pull it out this way, because I opened from the bottom, and it seems like I am having a hard time getting this out. So I'm going to use my scissors and see if I can cut it out. Sometimes companies, they make it so difficult with packaging, and you have a hard time getting stuff out. So it comes with the little dual side brush here. The end right here is the little brush where you can, you know, brush your eyebrows. And this side is used to actually apply the pomade to your brows to define it. So I thought that was really neat for them to include this and have the brush already in the packaging. So that was really neat. So the next item in the box is some Egyptian Magic All-Purpose Skin Cream. And I hope you guys can see that. That is the packaging on the top here. This cream can be used all over your body. It is multi-purpose. On the packaging, it says it's 100% natural balm with honey and olive oil to hydrate and nourish your lips, face, and body. So it is a all-purpose cream, skin cream, and that's how it looks. It doesn't have a smell to it, but it's kind of, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just, it does have kind of like a greasy texture, but not too much. So I probably would use this on my skin. I wouldn't use it on my lips. I don't like lip balms that have where you have to put your hand inside and apply the product to your lips. So I'll probably use this as a hand cream and just, you know, put it inside of my purse. So the next item is Hello toothpaste, and like I said, perfect size for traveling. So I know definitely the next trip or vacation I take, I will be packing this in my bag. It is a anti-plaque and whitening toothpaste, and I heard a lot about this brand, and I have received this brand in a previous subscription, I think it was, and it was like the charcoal one, and it worked pretty good. So I'm excited about using this one because it says anti-plaque and whitening. So the next item is a dry shampoo. These days I don't use too much dry shampoo since my hair is natural. When my hair was relaxed and I went a couple of days without shampooing my hair, and just to give it, you know, freshen it up a little bit, I would use a dry shampoo. So this is the Dove Refresh Plus Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. Oh, I love coconut. I love anything that comes in coconut. I know I should be spraying this on my hand, but I just want to smell it, and it smells really good. I probably would give this to my daughter because her hair is relaxed and she could use something like this. So this is something that I would throw in a care package for her, and it smells really, really good. Like I said, I love anything that is coconut. And this is a card, and they usually have cards inside, you know, with advertisement. This is the Purely Pretty Rate and Review this seasonal products at walmart.com TP/shopbeautybox. And if you do rate your products, enter to win a $100 gift card. So that's what that is. And this is just a little card talking about the Hello product toothpaste. And then, so the next item is a collagen peptides. This is, what is this? Is a dietary supplement. And I am on a weight loss journey, and I really don't consider it a diet that I'm doing. I'm just trying to make life changes. I'm trying to eat better, drink more water. I try to exercise every day, which I mostly do exercise every day unless the weekend and I'm really kind of busy. So I guess you would use this. Let me read the directions. So the directions on this says to mix 1 serving with the 8 ounce of water or beverage of choice and take once daily. Read the entire label before use and follow directions provided. So it's only 70 calories, which is awesome. It's by Purely Inspired. I guess that's what that card was for. I have never tried this before. I don't use any type of supplements. I don't have them in my weight loss plan. I know a lot of people do. And, you know, since it came in my box, maybe I'll give it a try and see how it works for me. So the next thing is one of my favorites. I love masks, and I think I said that before, and I usually get a mask in my box. This is the Purifying Black Charcoal Mask. It hydrates and moisturizes your skin. So this is the mask here. And I always love these masks, guys. It is nothing like a good mask when you're having a spa day at home, just to get you really, really relaxed. And the very last item, which is the little something special that I said that they had in the box, you actually get another makeup bag, and it is so cute. It is in a like a bone color, and it's trim in pink, and that's how it looks inside. So you can put your products inside your bag. Like I said, this would be perfect to pack. If you're going for a weekend, you just drop everything down inside of there and you are set to go. So I guess they are going to be including these little bags in your box, because I said last time I did receive a little small pouch like this, or makeup bag, whatever you want to call it. And so that is something nice additional that they add into your bag. So guys, that was the last item for my beauty box by Walmart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below which of the items that you like the most, or you would be very excited about getting in your subscription. If you haven't tried the Walmart beauty box, guys, give it a try, because like I said, I've been subscribed for a while and I really enjoy it. The items are free. You only pay for the shipping, and the shipping is only $5. So I think that's an awesome deal for the amount of items that you get. You get quality items. It gives you a chance to try out different products, and they are the perfect size for traveling. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, give it a thumbs up, comment, share. But most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.